Hello guys, mic test, mic test. Hello. So I just find out a way on the X developer how to roll back on Android 16 to Android 14, or you can do that on Android 15 to Android 14. So I just search a lot and I just go into the XD community and I just found out about this. That this guy has rolled back his Android 16 July update to Android 14. And just based on this bootloader version, this bluejay 16.2.13291.547 has the anti-rollback version. So after examining this image, I just found out that this guy has the firmware for the Android 14. And what does he did is he just extracted the image of he just extracted the Android 14 firmware and find this Android info deck text. So inside this Android info deck text, he just let this code like the required board bluejay and just flash it like normal. So this is what just did. You scroll down and you see he provided the files in the mega and the drive, but I really recommended the drive one and I already installed this. And sorry, I already downloaded that one. So I have this file in my downloads. This one, and all you have to do is just to extract it first. Give me a moment. So as you can see, the file has been already extracted. So what we're going to do next is to extract this image bluejay, where this compressed files has all of the system images that we really needed to flash the A14. This will give a couple of minutes, guys. So just be patient. So after we successfully extract the files, all we have to do is go to the Android info text, and based on the the forums, based on the image, all we have to do is to not let just this code in the Android info text only. So what are we going to delete or remove is this one and this one. And then all you have to do is to save it. After we save it, we just have to go back and please copy the name of this folder later. Oh my god, later. And all we have to do is to compress again the extracted folder. So what are we going to do is to compress all the images inside. So what I'm going to tell you guys is I'm not responsible for any damage of your phone. So please follow the steps. And I just only tested it on the Pixel 6a and I'm not sure on the other Pixel devices. So just please be careful on what you are going to do. So guys, just please keep in mind that you really need a PC or a laptop in this situation, a USB driver, a fastboot, and a good Wi-Fi for you to install the firmware, the ADB platform tools, and many more. But if you are curious, just please don't try it out first. Just search for a while and please don't test it. Just wait for a minute, guys. So after all of those things is done, as you can see, all those images have been compressed into this folder, into this compressed zip file, which is Android info.zip. But we are going to rename it. We have to go back, and as you can see, this one this one is the extracted folder, right? So we have to copy the name, its name, go back inside, and rename the compressed folder. What we're going to do is to remove this current one, and we'll have to go back to the extracted folder and copy this modded one. And then all we have to do is to delete this folder. And what are we going to do right now is to flash the device. So what are you going to do right now, guys, is in Pixel 6a, just press the volume, which is press the button and the power button. Oh, sorry. Let me just see. So what are you going to do right now, guys, is to go to the fastboot mode quickly. Is in Pixel 6a is to press the power button. Oh, sorry. Is to press the power button and the volume up button, and then you can see that there's something pop up appeared, and press the restart button. So after you press the restart button, press the down button for too long until the fast boot mode appeared. While it's showing restarting, just please press down the volume down button until the bootloader mode appears. Sorry guys, it's not a fast boot mode. So as you can see, the bootloader mode appear. I'm so sorry guys if it's not appeared on my screen because I'm just doing it on the phone. So I'm just giving you an instruction on how will it happen. I just visualize to you all guys. So what are we going to do is we have to connect our USB Type-C into your laptop or into your system unit into the monitor and connect it into your phone. And what are we going to do next is to open the CMD here. Oh no, it's not. Sorry. So what are we going to do is to press this flash all back. But before that, we have to switch it from slot P. Not to do that again. Hmm. 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 Let me move this one. So guys, in your bootloader mode, if it's appeared that the boot slot is A, all you have to do is to switch it on the inactive slot. So in my bootloader mode, it shows boot slot A. The next one, what are you going to do is oh, I picked the wrong one. Oh, oh sorry guys, don't mind that. Unbelievable, epic fail. So what are we going to do is to copy this one, fastboot set active A, just replace the A with the B one. So let's go back into this one. Open our CMD first on the ADB platform tools. Let's check first if the device appears. Oh, sorry. Paste it 1 and set it to B. As you can see in your bootloader mode, it's switched to boot slot B. So all we have to do is to quit on this one. And all we have to do is to go back to the bluejay, no, not this one. Oh, this one, this one. This is the extracted folder. All we have to do is to copy this and put this on the inside the ADB platform tools. And when it's already inside, find this flash all back. It means it will going to flash the firmware entirely. So before you're doing this, guys, please back up all your files into a USB drive or any other storage. So when you press this one, all this action will happen. So as you can see, guys, the bootloader image on the onto the slot view is rejected as because it has the anti-rollback on the a16, so it will use the boot slot A. So let's just wait this. Hear me, guys? Sorry. So this is all the things that will happen inside. I will record it. But I guess the switching to alternative and active slot is useless because um, the CMD detected that it has the anti-rollback, so I guess there is nothing that we will do that. So guys, after the installation of this A14, so when you connect to a Wi-Fi and the system update will appear regarding to the A16, a mandatory update for the Pixel 6a because I'm using the Pixel 6a, and I really don't know how to disable this OTA update. So I guess guys, you have to find a way to disable it because I just really so you can continually use the Android 14 for the Pixel 16. Sorry guys for my accent and the way that I have to speak in English. I'm really not good. I'm just doing my best, and I just want to share my knowledge to all of you guys. Just not wait for it. As you can see, the flashing of the firmware is done on the Pixel 6a, and my phone is booting now. As we're reviewing the flashing process, the bootloader image after we switch to the boot slot V has been rejected because it has the Android 16 anti-rollback protection. So it goes back to the slot A where it has no anti-rollback. So that's all, guys. Hope that you learned something. And please be careful on what you're doing and just follow this guide.